Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I can add text effects on CapCut PC. So you're just going to go to text and you're going to add in a text. I'm just going to use this default text. Like so. Here you can add in styles like underline, bold, and like italics, and then you can also add in the font styles here, which is pretty cool, pretty neat. You can also adjust spacing, position, and size, add in a stroke if you want, even like a border to it, like so, and whatnot. Here you can add in like text bubble, and here's where you can add in text effects, like so. There's a lot to choose from, a lot of colors to choose from too. Like the one before, it kind of makes the text look glowy, I guess. And you can even add in some animations like this glitch, faulty effect, and whatnot. And there's also like a loop animation. But that is basically how you can kind of add text effects. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!